moment of silence for niggas that tried, but they couldn't check me. Too busy getting a bag, I'm looking for sacks, I'm riding down Beverly. Yeah, the gossip ain't messy, the watches are prezi, the crib is heavenly. And none of these niggas can mess with me, none of these niggas can mess with me. Yeah, Jubilee where the bezel be, looking like I be embezzling. Whoa, yeah, fucking with me could be messy, my G, just consider it heavily. Yeah, niggas be settling, niggas be softer than powder for meddling. Niggas be talking that shit, but they dead to me. Still in my style, make your royalties dead to me. I've been through many different type of trials. Niggas be falling off and hold them down. Soon as I pick them up, don't hear a sound. Carrying niggas, there's too many reps. Strap them back down. Whoa. I've been through many different type of trials. Detonating, you ain't paying, hit a nigga at the peak. Had Milan, hit a nigga while he sleep. I'm just saying, take a nigga seriously. I ain't playing, I be where the hitters be. They be aiming, walking through the trenches as if I ain't famous. We can't entertain it, hit you with the stainless. That chopper gon' show us places where it's lane is, I'm saying. I've been through many different type of trials. Niggas be falling off and hold them down. As soon as I pick them up, don't hear a sound. Carrying niggas, there's too many reps. Drop them back down. Whoa.